You know that moment when plans get canceled, and instead of disappointment, you feel relief. Not because you dislike people, not because you're antisocial, but because your body finally relaxes. If you've ever felt that, you're not strange. You're responding to something very real. Some people recharge through stimulation. Noise, conversation, movement, presence. But others recharge through absence, through quiet, through space. And for those people, being alone isn't loneliness, it's regulation. When you're alone, nothing is demanded from you. No reactions, no small talk, no performance. Your nervous system gets to return to its natural rhythm. Psychologists have noticed something interesting. In people like us, a part of the brain called the amygdala reacts earlier than in others. It's something like an emotional guard. What feels like anxiety or withdrawal isn't usually a flaw. It's your system checking sooner. Is this safe? Is this necessary? Is this too much? You're not weak, you're just attentive earlier. Because too much input becomes exhausting. At home or alone, you control the pace, the light, the noise, the timing. That sense of control isn't indulgence. For many people, it's how they feel safe. And here's something most people don't talk about. People who enjoy solitude often think deeply. They notice patterns. They reflect instead of react. Their minds don't go quiet when they're alone. They finally get loud. Of course, solitude can sometimes hide fear. For some, staying in becomes avoidance. But for others, it's a choice. A conscious one. The difference is simple. Does being alone make you feel lighter or heavier? If it gives you clarity, calm, or energy, you're not missing out. You're just living at a different frequency. A slower one, a quieter one, but not an emptier one. If this feels familiar, you're not alone in that either. There are many people wired this way. This channel is about understanding those patterns, not fixing them, not labeling them, just seeing them clearly. If this resonated, you can stay. There's more like this coming.